Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. I am Sabrina Haq, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Idol English Version School, Day Shift. Today I am going to take a science class for class 5 student. Our today's topic is Chapter 14, Population and Natural Environment, and this is the part 1 of the chapter. Dear students, take your textbook in your hand, open page number 93 and follow the class with your textbook. Dear students, let's start the class. The name of the chapter is Population and Natural Environment. World human population is steadily increasing. We need more food, land and other natural resources for growing population. What are the problems with population growth? Do we have any solution of these problems? How do we resolve these problems? Dear students, in our part 1, this class, we will discuss about these first two questions and we will discuss this last question in our next part of this chapter. Let's start the first point. This first point is population growth and human needs. Population growth and population density. In early 1800s, there were almost 100 crore people on earth. Today, almost 1700 crore people live in the world. Dear students, underline these numbers because this is so important for you. In the last 200 years, world population has grown by almost 1600 crore. The population of Bangladesh was 14 crore 97 lakh 72,000 and 364 as of 2011 census, but there were almost 7 crore 60 lakh people in 1970 years. The population of Bangladesh almost doubles in last 40 years. Now look the student, there is a table for you, that is population of Bangladesh approximately. In year 1961, the population was 5 crore 52 lakh. In 1974, population was 7 crore 64 lakhs. In 1981, population was 8 crore 99 lakh. In 1991, the population was 12 crore 14 lakhs. In 2001, the population was 12 crore 93 lakh, and in 2011, the population was 14 crore 97 lakh. That means the population is increasing day by day. Now we will discuss about the population density. What is population density? Population density is the number of the people per square kilometer land area. Dear students, underline this part because this is the definition of population density. Population density can found by dividing total population by total area of a country. Population density in Bangladesh is very high. Look, this is a bus and it is filled up with so many people. In our country, this is a natural scenario to us. Now, there is a question. Total area of Bangladesh is 1,47,570 square kilometer and we have to find out what is the population density in Bangladesh. Dear students, in your book there is written the area of Bangladesh is 1,47,570, but now present Bangladesh gets some land area from India. That's why it increases. The present area is 1,47,610. But you will follow your textbook for finding the population density and for writing the fill in the blanks answer. But I give you information that is present land area of Bangladesh is 1,47,610 square kilometers. Here they show the procedure how we find out the population density. The number of people, that means according to 2011 the number of people was 14 crore 97 lakh 72,364, and we have to divide this number of people with the total area. The total area is 1,47,570, and if you divide this number of people with the total area, you will get this population density, that means 1014.92 approximately. And like this way you will find the population density by using the table the given on your book, page number 93. Now we will discuss about population growth and human needs. The more population grows, the more human needs increases. This can create pressure on natural resources. Additional needs will cause various problems in our life. For example, we will face the issue of a shortage of food, clothing, housing and land when population grows. Population growth makes people easy to get diseases because germs spread faster in denser population. Look, here is the picture of diarrhea epidemic. We may have less chance of getting medical and educational services. Opportunities for using natural resources may get reduced. Now we will go to our next point. Impact of population growth on environment. Population growth has several impacts on the environment. People clear forests to cultivate more crops or farm more livestock. They use more land or shelters, roads and industries. The loss of forest causes the changes of ecosystem, the destruction of habitats of living things and their extinction. Deforestation also can cause soil erosion and landslides. Look students, this is the past picture given here and this is the present picture. For our population growth, there is deforestation occurring here and there is some buildings made for the growing people. This is the picture of change of ecosystem due to population growth. Chemical fertilizers and pesticides are used in agriculture to grow plant well and produce more food. Excessive use of chemical fertilizer and pesticide can cause soil pollution and water pollution. Fossil fuel is burned in power plant and factories to produce more electricity and goods. People use fossil fuel to run vehicles or transportation. Harmful gases emitted from factories and vehicles cause air pollution that results global warming and acid rain. Now students, we will solve some fill in the blanks from this chapter. First one is world human population is steadily, that will be increasing. Second one is the last 20 years world population has grown by almost dash crore, that will be 1600 crore. The population of Bangladesh almost dash in the last 40 years, that will be double. Dash is the number of people per square kilometer land area, that will be population density. Total area of Bangladesh is dash square kilometers, that will be as per your textbook 1,47,570 square kilometer. Germ spread dash in denser population, that will be faster. Hybrid car use both dash and dash as their two sources of energy, that will be gasoline and electricity. There were almost 100 crore people on earth in early, that will be 1800s. Today, almost dash crore people live in the world. We know the world population is 1700 crore. The population of Bangladesh was dash crore 72,364 as of 2011, that will be 14 crore. The loss of forest causes the changes of ecosystem. Dear students, here is your homework. Homework number 9, fill in the blanks. You will do the fill in the blanks from this chapter and you have to submit on Sunday. Dear students, I have finished my today's topic. Hope you have understood. If you feel any problem, you can contact with me. I have given my contact number and you can find me with my name, my messenger ID, and learn the chapters at home properly. Learn the previous question answer, do the SW, submit all the SW, because you will get CT diary and SBA mark on the basis on your SW of your parents. Stay safe. See you again. Allah Hafiz.